Hello, I'm here to do a quick video on two more vintage journals that I have ready. I'm ready for the shop. These are some unembellished journals. These are the journals I'm calling DIY journals, and I want to do a quick flip through of them. So they're not embellished, and the pictures come out, so you can change the picture on the cover if you want, or you can leave it in there. And both of them are soft cover, cardstock over fabric over cardstock, vintage fabric. This one is a pink brocade, and you might not be able to see it, but it sparkles. And then over that I put a vintage lace panel, some pretty flowers, some appliques with pearls and sequins. So a real pretty cover. And on the inside, like I said, it's not embellished, so it's a tea stain paper. It's at least 15 pages on one side, so that makes it 30 pages. And if you doubled it, it would be 60 pages. So, and I got a good tea stain on it, so the pages look real and feel real crinkly. So it's just waiting for you to put your mark on it, put pockets, and add your ephemera to it. And once you see this video, then the other side is just they'll be for sale in my shop. So there's that one. And this one is real pretty. It's got pink cardstock in the background, so it's peeking through the vintage lace overlay, like embroidered lace overlay. Some pretty flowers. This is a piece off of a vintage wedding dress, and a little bit of trim, so real pretty. On the inside, tea stain, 30 pages. I added a doily in each one. Kind of went with the blue and pink theme with this one. Pink flowers. And there's and that would just be the other side of the signature, and there's the last page. So there are my two journals, DIY vintage journals for my shop. And thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.